from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, Patuxent River to Broomes Island, Maryland, until 5:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 43 nautical miles west of North Beach to 42 nautical miles west of Greenwell State Park, moving east at 30 knots. This line of thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Charles County in southern Maryland, southeastern city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, eastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Lake Ridge, or near Dale City, and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Charles County in southern Maryland, southeastern city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, eastern Prince William County in northern Virginia, southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Lake Ridge, or near Dale City, and was moving east at 35 miles per hour. This storm has produced hail up to the size of $half and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Woodbridge, Lorton, Newington, Franconia, Fort Belvoir, Hybla Valley, Groveton, Fort Washington, Bellhaven. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.